What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an email account. So first things first, what you want to do is go on Google and type in Yahoo Mail. Alright, then you want to click on it. Then it should bring you to this. Then what you want to do is click on create an account. It's right here. Alright, so then they're gonna ask you for your information. First name, I'm just gonna type in some random letters because I don't want to create an account. You should type in your first name and your last name, and this should generate your email account. Alright, then you want to type in your password. Then what you want to do is put up your phone number. Alright, I'm just gonna type in some random letters and numbers because I don't want to create an account. Alright, gender, male, and then you click on continue. And of course mine doesn't work because I've typed in some random stuff, but that should be it. If you typed in the right stuff, that should create your email account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And by the way, leave in the comments what you want me to sign up for in the next video. See ya.